Hello students, today we will start our next topic that is on the Mendelian genetics and Mendelian inheritance. The George Mendels are responsible for governing the law of the inheritance of character from parent to progeny and from one generation to next generation. George Mendel is a Austrian monk, studied the inheritance of character in pea plant and also developed the law of the inheritance, but the Mendelian work was recognized during the 20th century. George Mendel between 1856 and 1863 cultivated the approximately 28,000 pea plant, and he found that the plants offspring retained the trait of their parents. He worked on the experimental garden in the Czech Republic. Mendel stated that there are some physical trait or character are inherited as a particles, but he did not able to identify the particle were actually chromosome or DNA. He also discovered the several genetic terminology like the traits means any character that pass from parent to progeny. Heredity means the passing of trait from parent to offspring. Genetics means study of heredity. And he also described the different crosses by using the characters like the monohybrid cross in which he select a single trait like the flower color, dihybrid cross he select the two different state flower length and plant height, and also discovers the Punnett square charts to solve the cell genetic problem in which the male and female gametes present along to the x-axis and y-axis, and the parents one present along to the x-axis and the parent b present along to the y-axis, and their combinations of the gametes also fill in all different squares, and discover the genotypic and phenotypic ratio. He also discovered the cell terms like the alleles. The every genes have the two alternate form like the dominant and recessive. Dominant characters consist with the two stronger genes expressed in the hybrid and mainly represented by the capital letters. Recessive genes, that gene that show up less often in a cross and represented by the lowercase letters. Genotypes mean genetic combination of traits like that the both of the dominant genes, the both of the recessive genes, and one dominant and one recessive gene. Phenotypes means the physical feature resulting from the genotype, red and white flower. Genotype of alleles like the capital R represent the red flowers and the small letter B represent the yellow flower. Although gene occur in the pairs of the two different allele affected characters. Homozygous means the both of the dominant gene on the recessive genes present and it is called pure. Heterozygous means gene combinations with the one dominant and recessive allele and called hybrid. Genes and environment both collectively determines the characters. Mendel's work onto the pea plant. Why he select the Pisum stivans? Because it is grow in the small area, produce lot of springs, produce pure plant. When allowed to self-pollinate for the several generation, can artificially growed. Reproductions during the reproduction, flowering plants pollen contain the sperm produced by the stamens and ovary contain the egg inside the flowers. Pollen carries sperm to the egg for fertilization. Self-fertilizations means the fertilization occur in the same flower post but at two different flowers. Mendel's experimental methods. For the self-pollination, he used the hand pollination methods. For the flower, by using a paintbrush, he could snip the stamens to prevent the self-pollination and covered each flower with a cloth bags. And he traced the trait through the several generations. Mendel produced pure strains by allowing the plant for self-pollination till several generations. He selected the 8 different characters like the seed shape, seed color, spot shape, pod color, seed coat color, flower position, plant height, and flower color, and they are represented by into the different alleles. Like the capital represent the dominant form and the small letter represent the recessive traits. These are the also character of the P which are selected by the Mendel for his experimental work. He theoretically expected ratio of the plant producing round or wrinkled cells in the 3:1. Mendel observed the ratio was 2.6:1 and the discrepancy due to the statistical error. There the several parental P1 generations means the parents which are used for the breeding experiment. F1 generation which produced from that the parent and is known as the first filial generation. By selfing the F1 generations he produced the second generation is known as the second filial generation. Like the in his experiment, he used that to the tall plant, showing also in the pictures. Tall plant crossed with into the small plant and producing into the old hybrid in the one generation. One generation further cell crossed and to producing into the four progeny in the ratio is the 3:1. Means 3 is the tall and the 1 is the small.